Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to import an image on Canva. So yeah, you can quickly add your own pictures to your designs. It's really simple and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, go ahead and log in to your Canva account. You can use your email, Google, or Facebook to sign in, whichever you prefer. Once you're in, open an existing design or start a new one. I'll just click on a blank template for this demo. Now, on the left-hand side, look for the Uploads tab and click on it. Then select Upload Media and choose the image from your computer or device. Canva also lets you import from Google Drive or Dropbox, which is really handy. After your image uploads, just click or drag it into your design. You can resize it, move it around, or even apply filters and effects. It's super flexible, you know? And that's really all there is to it. Importing images on Canva is quick and easy once you know where to find the upload options. Don't forget to experiment with positioning and effects to make your design pop.